Meet Margaret and Bob. Margaret used to like going out with her friends shopping, but since her knee started playing up, she's worried it will let her down. After a busy day, her knee hurts and she can't get comfortable in bed. Bob wants to enjoy more of his retirement on the golf course, but a fruitful weekend in the garden has left his knees in pieces. A friend recommended he use his supports to rest his knees and recover. Margaret and Bob found Essential Wellness and purchased knee supports to restore strength and confidence. With Essential Wellness knee supports, you too can regain your lost freedom of movement and enjoy the benefits of all-day comfort, peace of mind, support for your weak, fatigued knees, less pain, better sleep and more movement, discreet fitting, a support which fits discreetly under clothes, less obvious limp and stability you can rely on. Maintain your independence and continue to enjoy shopping outings, prolonged periods of standing, a more comfortable gardening experience, and many other activities. We understand you're not yourself when struggling with knee pain. Buy now and be the best you.